In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a Google Sheet from view-only mode to editing mode. Whether you're new to Google Sheets or just need a little refresher, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open up your Google Sheet. If you have a specific sheet to work on, navigate to that file through your Google Drive or your shared links. Opening the sheet allows you to view the current settings and know exactly what changes are needed. Once you're in the Google Sheet, look towards the upper right corner of your screen. Here, you'll find an option that says, Shared with one person, or a similar message indicating how many people have access to the document. Go ahead and click on this text. This option serves as the gateway to managing sharing settings for your Google Sheet. After clicking, a sidebar or a pop-up will display the current permissions and sharing settings. You'll observe a drop-down list next to the email addresses of people who have access. This is where you can modify the level of access for each user. Look for the drop-down list marked by either an icon or the word Viewer, which indicates the current status of the sheet as view only for that person. Click on this drop-down menu to see the variety of options available, namely Viewer, Commenter, and Editor. What you're looking for here is the Editor option. By selecting Editor, you're granting full access to edit and make changes to the spreadsheet. This is pivotal if you want collaborators to contribute or if you perceive that editing is crucial for your workflow. After making your selection, the editor status should now appear next to the user's email. Confirm your choice by clicking the Save button. This step ensures that your changes are applied and saved. Be thorough and make sure each user has the correct level of access they need because this can streamline teamwork significantly. Once you've saved your settings, it's a good practice to verify everything. Double-check by observing the list of users and confirming that those you intended to have editing rights now indeed appear as editors. If everything aligns with your expectations, you're all set. If not, you can always revisit these settings to make additional tweaks. By following these steps, you've successfully changed the settings from view only to edit in Google Sheets, enabling seamless collaboration and enhanced workflow. It's an essential skill for managing your online data ecosystem effectively. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Be sure to check out more of our tutorials to become even more proficient in using Google Sheets and other tools.